So thank you very much, the Muse of YS5. So let us all welcome the escort of the YS5. Please proceed and pick your question.
This is your question, YS5 candidate. What do you like most about Christmas and why? I will repeat. What do you like most about Christmas and why?
It's people celebrating with your family, with your good family. It's people celebrating with your good family and friends. That Christmas is
Okay, so thank you very much, escort of the YS5. Now, let us all welcome the Muse of the YS6. I just want to remind the contestants to please maximize the volume of your voice so that your answers can be heard by our viewers and also can be heard by our judges. Thank you.
This is addressed to YS6, the candidate. If you were to choose, would you rather be beautiful or intelligent and why? If you were to choose, would you rather be beautiful or intelligent? Why?
Rather, I will choose beauty or brain. Of course, I will choose the brain. Beauty is just your face, but the brain is always in your personality. Thank you for the wonderful question.
Well said. Now, let us all welcome the escort of the YS6.
Again, this is for YS6 candidate. As a learner, what do you think will you gain from this competition? I will repeat. As a learner, what do you think will you gain from this competition?
As a learner, I will gain from this competition confidence and intelligence because of this question. Thank you.
Thank you. And let us all welcome the Muse of the YS7.
This is for candidate YS7. Why do you think you are worthy to be called Miss Intramurals? Why do you think you are worthy to be called Miss Intramurals?
Thank you very much for that question. Before I answer that question, I would like to say good afternoon and hello to all my fellow Angelicans, to all the members of the faculty, and to all the visitors that are witnessing today's event. I am worthy to be called Miss Intramurals because I have the voice, I have the confidence, I have the intellect, and my friends, my relatives, and my mentors believe that my God-given talents will shine through to this competition. Thank you.
Thank you. And now, let us all welcome the escort of the YS7.
This is a question for YS7. Do you believe in miracles and why? I repeat. Do you believe in miracles and why?
If I were to be asked if I believe in miracles and why, of course I believe in miracles. Because God gave me a life that was already a miracle. Thank you.